back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes and ideas. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. This is a really nice, top, lovely salmon fillet. We're going to do a bake-off salmon in the oven, guys, with some sweet chili sauce and vegetable served with some new potato. So hopefully, guys, I love the recipe. Please subscribe, leave a comments below. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. So, guys, enjoy the recipe, and remember, don't forget to subscribe. Very important. I love you all. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. See you. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. First of all, I must say to you, I have 2 pieces of salmon fillet. I'm gonna crack a little bit of pepper on it like this. Nice one. Also a little bit of dried chili. We're going to get some of the Jamaican Valley fish seasoning. That's what I'm going to use for my favorite taste. 1 teaspoon will be enough. Alright, that's it. 1 small clove of garlic. What we're going to do is this. Look. Let's cut them into chunks like that, into slices. Something different this evening on the menu. Spring onion. You can cut them a little bit small if you want. I like my one chunky like this. A little bit of sweet chili sauce. That's it. Good to go. Pinch of olive oil or vegetable oil. Make sure you got on the gloves. And then marinate it just like this. Right, get a oven tray like this one and lay your salmon on it, just like this, and just like this. Vegetables, that's simple. Put them in the middle, and a few of them on top of it just when it roasts. Nice one. So we're gonna place this in the oven for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes, you know, right? But let's see what's going on over here. I got a little bit of black olive left. I'm gonna put the black olive on it like this. Roast off some black olive on top of it. You don't have to, but you know, I just want to use up my rest of my black olive. So I'm going to pop that in the oven now for roughly about 15 minutes. Alright, guys, so enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe and leave your comments below. Nice and lovely, guys. Just take it from the oven and look at that. Amazing recipe. Really ready and come out lovely and nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simple plate it up and make you guys see the way it look on the plate. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas will come in. Nice and lovely. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. I just plate it up with some new potato. with the vegetable and everything. So lovely and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe coming out. We got a lot more ideas will be coming. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show, and stay tuned. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice and yummy. Very easy recipe, guys, to prepare at home. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.